Hey, good morning. Chuck here with Apple Drains. Last winter we really suffered badly with a very hard freeze, and now in spring it's been a drought. And you can see what happened to a lot of the beds. The first thing I'm going to do is create an edge. This is really one of the best tips I can show you. Put your shovel down in the ground, kick it with your boot, and you've got a perfect clean edge every time. Now, of course, we're going to have to come back and clean that out, but we've got to pull those weeds anyways, so we can do some planting and add more mulch. It doesn't take long. Get down on your knees, pull some good weeds, and then of course you're going to need to clean that up. So we rake it up and we haul it away. So now we're ready to begin construction. And you can see I'm using 100% recycled fence. Really saved some money. I think the entire fence cost me, really it was just the paint. So $23 for a gallon of paint. And wow, we've got a free fence. I found a stained glass window right beside a job site that we were working on, and they were throwing it away. And we have created one-of-a-kind stained glass fence. I've never seen anything like this anywhere. Wait till you see the outcome after I've got it painted and the mulch added and the plants. It is just beautiful. Again, 100% recycled, and this is really how it comes out. Look at that. Isn't that great? It would be great just like this, but I'm going to go ahead and paint that fence. So, gallon of paint. It's an exterior white flat paint using a spray gun. Quickly paint that entire fence, and we are ready to actually add the mulch and the plants. What a great project. If you really enjoy gardening and enjoy building things, this project, like I said, $23 for a gallon of paint. Yeah, you got to have a spray gun, or you could use a brush or a roller, whichever one you wanted. But the spray gun makes it go really quick. So we're ready to go ahead and pull off that plastic off the window and see how this came out. Look at that. I added a frame, painted the frame red so it would pop out. And now we're going to add some red mulch, just a few bags. Oh, so add that to the cost. So we've got 4 bags of mulch, and I added the plants. Those are the Viagra plants. If you didn't watch that video, you really should.
So I already have one comment. They said it looks like a time portal. And you know what? I guess it kind of does. Anyways. Found that stained glass on the side of the road, was going to put it up on the main house, but it's not airtight. And it would take quite a bit of work to put that into the home. So we have a very unique, one-of-a-kind outdoor fence.
So here on the other side of the gate, we're going to go ahead and just create a frame and make it look kind of the same as the other side. So painted some wood, made the frame, tack it in place, and there we have it. Of the many projects that I do here around the office, I don't always post a video. And I really hope that you enjoyed this and get some ideas for yourself. Look at this. This is a stained glass window, found it for free, and look how it makes that fence pop out. Before and after. Hey, this is Chuck with Apple Drains, reminding you that if you believe you can do something, I guarantee you can do it. Have a great day.